Hey, what's going on YouTube? Coming back at you with another update on Appzone. I've been doing a lot of Appzone videos, but a lot has changed. I finally got the mystery box and it's kind of interesting. So let's get into Appzone and let me show you what I got out of the mystery box. So when you get the mystery box, you actually have to activate it, and what it is a 14-day you get 1/4 boost on all your points. That's what you get out of the mystery box. Now this is not the biggest reward. I was kind of hoping of some type of gift card. I would probably prefer that, but the interesting thing about this, and probably one of my next tests outside of the perk apps, is to see do these boosts stack on top of each other. So that's probably what I'm hoping to see. If anybody get there before me, please let me know. Do these boosts actually stack on top of each other? So that is my next test. So when you get your mystery box, you're going to get a basically a quarter boost on all your points. So makes Appzone a little bit more viable. It just rewards the users who've used it longer. So yeah, you guys, that is my update on Appzone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Um, I'm about to put up a video about perk pop quiz. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.